Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Long time no see. I've been super busy with college. I just finished my first semester at Howard University, but besides that, I have another DHgate haul for you guys. I have 5 new shoes that I'm going to show you guys, and the link for all these shoes will be down in the description box below. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe.
First pair of shoes I have for you guys are these Sambas. Man, these are like my first pair of Sambas that I ever own. I'm not really into like the original like black and white pair, but I really like these. Pink is my favorite color, which you guys know if you guys been watching my channel. But this is a shoe. This is what the tongue looks like. Here you can see the it's Sambas X Comme des garçons. And so there goes like the logo right there. Came with laces, some tags right there. The heart pattern is my favorite. I'm pretty sure these are like Valentine, or they were made for like Valentine's Day, so that's why there's like all this like pink heart and like Valentine's theme stuff going on here. But yeah, I really love this shoe. I think it's so pretty, so beautiful, super girly, and I am so excited to wear them. They did come in a box. Some of these shoes I don't have the boxes that they came in because I got these shoes a while ago, but these did come in a box. And yeah, so for the price comparison, you can find these on DHgate for $42 with free shipping. Link will be in the description down below. These are size 8.5 women's or 39 European, and they're true to size. But if you compare to like the actual price of these, I found them on Depop and they're currently going for $130. So there you go. And with that said, let's get into the next shoe. Next pair of shoes I have are these bad boys, and these are the Air Jordan 1 Lows, like Voodoo. Some I'm gonna have it up on the screen, but this is what they look like, and these are by far one of the most like favorite pairs of shoes I received, simply just because of like the color and the design on them. Like, this is the tongue, and like just look at the shoe and like look at the detailing, like the stitching and the patterns, like, and tell me that's just not like a super cool looking shoe. So these are true to size. I love everything about them. They're currently on GOAT for about, oh sorry, they're currently on DHgate for a total of $44, and that's including the shipping and everything else. But they're currently on GOAT for about $185, so about a $140 difference there. But yeah, definitely a need to buy if you're looking to get some good shoes from the fence. Okay, the next shoes I have for you guys are these Jordan 4 Retro Thunders. I also have seen them called Mid Thunders, but here they are. As you can see, compared to some other Jordans that I've received, they're definitely not the worst. I wouldn't say they're the best. As you can see, that's the Jumpman. Here's a little flick test for y'all, and this is the tongue of the shoe. And so as you can see, it's definitely a little like thick. The tongue looks a little funny, but I personally wouldn't be able to tell unless you were like all up in my business. It says Air Jordan on the back. It says Flight there, and this is the bottom. And these are also an 8.5 women's. They are true to size, so you don't have to size up or size down. They did come in a box. I don't have the box for these, unfortunately, but for the price comparison, you can get these on the DHgate for a total of $54, and that's including shipping and the actual price of the shoe. And then you can get these on like GOAT for the authentic pair for $314. If you see me looking off, it's because my laptop's over there. But yeah, $54, $314. Let me know what you guys would do in the comment section down below. So these are the next shoes, which actually came into a box because I just got them a few days ago. But here they are. These are the OVO X Air Jordans. Correct me if I'm wrong, but let me take them out the box. Some socks, some laces, which is what most of the shoes I ordered come with. And here they are. We're hitting my camera, but they are definitely a little bit bigger. These are a men's 10. I got these for a friend, so these are what they look like. I can tell, I feel like the color is a little bit off on this part. It's like a, I would say it's like not a complete white. I feel like it has like the smallest bit of like purple hue to it for some reason. I know I got Jordans before and they had like a really bad chemical smell. I don't have these problems with these ones. This is what the tongue of the shoe looks like. There goes the Jumpman figure 23 on the back. This is the bottom. And yeah, so I personally don't dislike them. I wouldn't say they're like a complete like one-to-one, but they're definitely not bad compared to like some other Jordans I reviewed on the page. As far as the price, you can get these on the fence for $49, and that's the total cost of them, versus I can see them here on Go and they're going for $911. So yeah. So the next pair of shoes I have are these, and as you can tell, they are Bapes. This is all my Bape shoes have always came in like a box like this, if you viewed my page. But these are the shoes. These are the 2019 Bapesta Black Sharkface shoes, and so here's what they look like. I love getting Bapes from the fence. I feel like personally you really can't tell the difference compared to the authentic pair. The right here, you can see it has the Bape tag. It's already laced up. There goes the Bape shoes. These I also got for a friend. They're men's US 10, and they are true to size. Never had a sizing problems, and never honestly had an issue with any Bapes from the gate, like I mentioned before. So, but I think these are so cute. I really like these. The cost for them on the fence is currently going for like $54 for the total pair, versus on Go these are currently like ranging from like $1,500 to like $729. Either way, a lot more than what you'll get them for on the fence. And I've known people personally that have got Bape shoes from the fence and they have had no problems whatsoever. So highly recommend these shoes. Oh sorry, I also wanted to mention all the Bape shoes usually come with stuff. So like they have socks, they have the Bape tag, they have extra laces, and they all come with a StockX verification tag as well. And actually that was our last shoe. Let me know what you guys think. I know this was a bit of a faster video. I'm trying to kind of like figure out how to like manage my time to make sure I get content out and also like get everything else done I need to get done. But that's it guys. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a nice day.
I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me.